Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix auto rotate if your iPhone screen is not rotating. First, keep in mind that not every app supports screen rotation. For example, your iPhone home screen usually stays in portrait mode, and some apps also do not rotate. To properly test auto rotation, open an app that supports landscape mode, such as Safari. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Look for the Portrait Orientation Lock icon. It looks like a padlock with a circular arrow around it. If this icon is enabled, tap it once to turn Portrait Orientation Lock off. You should see a message confirming that Portrait Orientation Lock is off. Now go back to Safari and rotate your iPhone sideways. The screen should automatically switch into landscape mode. Rotate the iPhone back upright, and it should return to portrait mode. Again, if the screen doesn't rotate on the home screen, or inside a specific app, that may simply mean that screen rotation is not supported there. If rotation still doesn't work inside supported apps, try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even if the power off screen appears. Continue holding until the iPhone screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. After your iPhone starts back up, open Safari or another app that supports landscape mode and test screen rotation again. And that's it. That's how to fix auto rotate not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.